Well, hello, I'm Shonnie Alridge, your favorite real estate broker and appraiser in Atlanta, Georgia, and I'm actually in Henry County in the city of Hampton visiting this beautiful home behind me on a full basement called the Rainier. So we're going to go inside and see what all the fuss is about. Let's go. Welcome to the Traditions at Crystal Lake, a DRB Homes community perfectly situated in an existing luxury community. This Rainier Plan sits on a basement and is priced at $535,180. It offers 3,796 square feet, a 2-car garage, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and the homeowner association is $200 a year. Enjoy the tour. Well, I certainly hope you enjoyed the tour of this lovely home. This is not a model home, but we're here at a open house, and so the builder has some homes that are already ready to move in. And so we're gonna just talk about this particular home. This is a Rainier, and it is for sale. It sits on a full basement that you can do whatever you want to in that basement as far as building it out to have a room down there or a game room, whatever you want. One of the really special features of this particular model is the owner suite on the main level and then the upstairs loft room. People love that for the additional space upstairs. And when you don't want to climb the steps to go to your owner suite, you have it on the main level. And so the Rainier is absolutely gorgeous. I know you saw that and was just, taken away by how beautiful it really is. Now, when you're talking about navigating real estate, new construction, you don't want to go at it alone. You want to have representation, and consider me your resource. I've been doing real estate for 20 years now. I am a real estate broker and appraiser, so I have expertise in sales and valuations. I would love to represent you. My information is right here. You can call me, text me, email me, find me on Instagram. Also, subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it. If you are returning to my channel, thank you for coming back. And if you are new, welcome. So, as I said, I would love to represent you and help you in your future purchase. If you're relocating to Georgia, wonderful. If you already live here, you want to find a place that is really nice and new and spacious, this is the place. This is the neighborhood you want to be in. So give me a call or email or a shout, and we'll get started with helping you accomplish your real estate goals very soon. Take care.